Kind of start with, tell us a little bit about your accident and what happened.
Okay. I was riding a motorcycle, a Gold Wing motorcycle, and I had low speed. I hit a slippery spot, went down, the motorcycle fell on my leg, broke the upper portion of the tibia just below the knee. 3 operations, a little over a month in the hospital, and that was on May 11th, and now it's been over 5.5 months of recuperation, and a great portion of that time was not walking at all. I had a walker, and finally when I came to you a few weeks ago, about a month ago, we started doing the adjustments, and I went from a walker to a cane to now I can walk a substantial distance around the Sun Valley Mall twice without even the cane. I can go up and down stairs. Yeah, so it's a significant improvement.
Good, good. And I guess we were talking about you guys just had a big party.
Right.
And you were actually going up and down stairs and up and down ladders, you were saying.
Oh, yeah, the ladder up to the attic to go up there, so then I'm up the ladder, and then I'm crawling around in the attic to, get stuff down for the party and all the rest of that.
That's fantastic.
And setting up tables and carrying things, and yes, a great deal of work over the weekend.
Good, good, and you're doing pretty well. I saw you walking in here, you look good. Heard you had a rough weekend.
Yes,
but
yes.
Again, that is to be expected with this severe of an injury. Good, good.
Well, I overdid, up and down all the stairs and everything.
It's a good thing.
Yeah.
All right. What I think we're going to do at this point, we'll move into the other room, and I want to take a look at you and check in and see what's going on and how you did. Okay?
Great.
So why don't you come through?
Show you later. Yes, I'm taking it to a photo and that way. You did it.
A little tender in there, huh?
That's what I told him. I told him I was like,
Really locked up on the
done.
side.
He's like, well, I want your
So what I'm going to do is bring you over here. We'll get you to lay on your right side and face this way.
I will be able to do that for you then. Alright, that's it. Have a good day. Bye.
Very nice. Okay, so let's bring you over to the other table. We'll work on that middle a little bit. There is no safe place, right? This is moving better in here. It's a good thing. So we're also having some problems right here at T8. We'll get after that guy over here. Just drop him. Perfect. Much better. Good. Okay. All right. Let's get you back up. That's all we need for right now. It's doing much better.